This episode is brought to you by Hill's Pet Nutrition. Every shelter pet deserves a second chance, and you're making it possible for thousands of them every day. Because when you feed your pet Hill's, you help feed a shelter pet, which helps make them healthy, happy, and more adoptable, changing their life forever. So they can change yours. Over 14 million shelter pets fed and adopted. Science did that. Visit hillspet.com/podcast to learn more.
Hello and welcome to Bytes of Health, where we hope to take a bite out of your parent worries each day with sound advice and guidance. Every morning, we'll answer a commonly asked pediatric question in 5 minutes or less. I'm Dr. Jess Steier, a public health scientist, and today I am solo answering a very important question. Today, we're going to talk about pasteurization. The clock is ticking, so let's get to it. What is pasteurization and why is it important? So pasteurization is a process where milk is heated to a specific temperature for a short time to kill harmful bacteria and viruses. These bacteria and viruses can cause serious illnesses. Certain pathogens include E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria. Pasteurization makes milk safe to drink, especially for young children whose immune systems are still developing. What are the dangers of drinking raw milk? Raw milk has not been pasteurized and can contain harmful bacteria that can make you and your child very sick. Symptoms can include vomiting, diarrhea, stomach cramps, and fever. And in severe cases, raw milk consumption can lead to life-threatening illnesses. Are there any benefits to drinking raw milk? I've seen the claims that you've probably seen in those parent groups. But the answer is, in short, no. Numerous studies have demonstrated that pasteurization has minimal impact on the nutritional content of milk. There is no scientific evidence supporting any nutritional advantages of consuming raw milk. A meta-analysis comprising more than 40 studies conducted in 2011 did observe decreases in vitamins B12 and E after pasteurization, alongside an increase in vitamin A levels. The overall effect of pasteurization on the nutritive value of milk was negligible, as many of these vitamins are naturally present in relatively low concentrations. Raw milk, whether it be traditional, grass-fed, organic, or local, is not safe for consumption. I've heard raw milk can help with lactose intolerance. Is that true? No. Unfortunately, this is also a common misconception. Lactose intolerance is caused by a lack of the enzyme lactase, which breaks down lactose, or milk sugar, in your gut. Both raw and pasteurized milk contain lactose and can trigger intolerance in those who are sensitive. What tips can you give parents for choosing safe milk products for their children? Always look for the pasteurization label when buying milk and milk products. Choose pasteurized options for cheese, especially soft cheeses, yogurt, and ice cream as well. When in doubt, opt for pasteurized to ensure the safety of your child. All right. Well, I hope you learned something today. And remember, we have lots more to share. If you like what you've heard here, let us know. Please leave us a review on Apple and be sure to tell your friends. Remember, there is no single or best way to parent. Parenting is a journey, and we are all just doing our very best. We wish you happy, healthy, and stress-free parenting.
As a longtime foreign correspondent, I've worked in lots of places, but nowhere as important to the world as China. I'm Jane Perlez, former Beijing bureau chief for the New York Times. Join me on my new podcast, Face Off, U.S. versus China, where I'll take you behind the scenes in the tumultuous U.S.-China relationship. Find Face Off wherever you get your podcasts.